She don't fit, actually. I thought it was gonna make her look terrible.
I'm recording. Okay, go. I'm gonna keep that all in it.
Bro?
Yeah. Alright. I'm being so freaking weird. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So most of you probably don't know who I am, so this video is basically gonna be like an introduction into my channel so you guys can get to know me. It's basically a Q&A, as you can tell by the title. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Elliane Kheshen, and yeah, let's get into this video so you guys can get to know me. It's kind of boring. I just want to apologize really quick if I keep looking down at and I'm not looking at the lens. Is because I have my laptop in front of me and it's basically my viewfinder, so I keep looking at myself to make sure I'm in focus, to make sure everything is clear, and I'm sorry if that gets annoying. Just a disclaimer.
It's not that hard.
Alright, first I'm gonna get the boring questions out of the way, like questions like how old I am, where I live, if I'm in school, stuff like that. So I live in Philly, live in Philadelphia. I live in the northeast part of Philadelphia. It's low-key boring over here. But yeah, I live in the northeast and I go to Temple University. I'm actually a senior now. I'm a political science major. I want to go to law school. I don't know if people want to know this, but I'm an Aquarius, born in February. I'm just trying to get all the boring questions out of the way. Questions I feel like people, just like the gist that people should know.
Are you an only child?
No, nobody wants to know that, babe.
People want to know.
No, they don't. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna just get into the questions that people ask me on Instagram. Like, this is not gonna be a long video. It's gonna be pretty short because I got a few questions, not anything crazy. And yeah, this is just supposed to be a quick video so y'all can get to know me. So when I start popping out content, y'all gonna be like, who is this girl? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not a stranger to y'all. Y'all know who I am. So yeah, let me it's so weird having somebody in the room with me while I'm recording. Babe, do you want to come say hi to the people again? It's so weird.
What do I look at? Look at that.
I mean, you can look wherever, I don't care. But yeah, this is my boyfriend Seth. He's gonna be in videos with me, not a lot though, because this is not about to turn into a couples channel. So he's gonna be in a couple videos, but not anything crazy. I know. This video is a mess. I apologize. Like, it's a mess. I'm just trying to get something out there, because if you look at my past videos, I kind of just threw random videos on YouTube. I haven't been consistent, and I'm trying to do that now. So yeah, I apologize in advance, and I hope you guys still like this video. I hope you guys subscribe. Hope you guys comment on what you guys want to see next. I know this is stuff I'm supposed to say at the end of the video, but yeah, let's just get into these questions because I'm rambling. My cousin Sammy said no question, just want to say that you're gorgeous as F. Oh, thank you, Sammy, love you. Somebody asks, how does it feel to be so pretty? Oh, that is so sweet. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Somebody asks, I'm sorry if I keep saying like that's like a filler for me. I always say I'm so sorry. Are you an extrovert or an introvert? I feel like I'm a combination of both. Like, if I really know you, if I'm really comfortable with you, I'm an extrovert. And if I don't really know, like, the people in my surroundings, I'm an introvert. If that makes sense. I feel like a lot of people can relate to that. What do you do on your spare time? I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I watch a lot of movies. Like, I'm obsessed with horror movies. I probably watched every horror movie ever made. The good ones anyway. So yeah, that's what I do in my spare time. In quarantine, there's not much to do, so that's what I've been doing. So yeah. Pet peeves. What are some pet peeves of mine, babe? I hate bad manners. Yes, I hate bad manners. I hate when people don't know. I'm not even gonna get into the like detail. I just hate bad manners. What else I hate? I hate slow drivers. I freaking hate slow drivers. yeah, slow driving, bad manners. What else do I not like? I don't know. I don't know. I guess I don't have a lot of pet peeves. I hate bad manners. I hate slow driving. What exactly is a pet peeve? It's just like stuff that gets on your nerves.
Do that annoy you.
I'm sorry if I'm like twisting around in my chair. I'm sorry if I keep looking down. Bear with me. My video skills will get better. I'm just like, I'm low-key shy in front of the camera, so I'm doing all these things as like I guess like a coping mechanism, so I'm not nervous. But bear with me, guys. I'm sorry. I guess I don't have a lot of pet peeves, so we're gonna move on to the next question. Where do you aspire to be by 25? Okay, so I'm 21 years old right now, so 25 is 4 years away. I'm probably gonna be graduating law school by then. Hopefully I'm gonna be engaged. Hint, hint. Hopefully I'm gonna be engaged, and hopefully I'm gonna have a bomb job somewhere in a law firm. I don't know, something along those lines. That's where I aspire to be by 25. That's where I aspire to be by the age of 25, so hopefully. Next question. How did I meet my boyfriend? I met him. It's so weird. Like, the way we met was so weird. So he went to Roman Catholic and I went to Little Flower. So if you live in Philadelphia, you know that like Roman Catholic is a all boys Catholic school and Little Flower is an all girls Catholic school. So he has some friends that went to my school and he would come to our dances, but I was never looking in his direction. I wasn't really looking for a boyfriend. So like I would see him here and there, but I wouldn't make anything of it. Like I wouldn't think too much of it. And then his best friend told me he was gay, so I really didn't think anything of it, but she was just kidding around. I think it was where we officially met and kind of spoke, but not really spoke, was at senior prom. He was in, it was like the line to get food, and he was in front of me with his date, and I was behind him, and I was like, can you hand me a plate? And he was like, sure, and he handed me a plate. And I guess from that little interaction, boo, he was thinking about me. I was running through his mind. And then he asked for my Snapchat. This is when Snapchat was popping. He asked for my Snapchat, and he asked for my Snapchat, added me, and did not message me. So I had to like sub-snap him and be like, how you gonna ask for my Snapchat and not message me? So then he messaged me, and then literally from that day on, we've been together basically. Like it's been 3 years. So yeah, that's how I met my boyfriend. Someone said, no, my boo Courtney said, I'm gonna say her name because that's my boo. Courtney said, one makeup product you can't live without, and what's the best horror movie you've seen in the last year? So one makeup product I can't live without. I'd say eyelashes. Like eyelashes, I can't live without that because I feel like that completes my look. Like I don't need lip gloss. I can do Vaseline. I don't need foundation, all that other stuff. Like I think eyelashes. Yeah, sometimes I just wear lashes. I feel like it just pulls together a natural face. It just gives you that pop, that extra, oomph that you need. And the best horror movie I've seen in the last year, that's a tough one because I've seen a lot. I've seen a lot of good ones. But one that really made me scared, dang, babe. He sees all the movies with me, so that we saw.
So does that mean like that came out in the past year, or just?
Just like I saw in the past year. I really don't know. That's like a hard question. I really don't know actually.
There's just too many.
There's too many good ones. But I'm gonna give a couple. Midsommar was really good. I really liked it. It wasn't really scary to me, but it's in the category of horror. This movie called Six Souls or Shelter. I actually told Willie to tell you about that movie so you guys can watch it. What's another movie?
What about Us? We went to see that.
Us was good. And I feel like there was another movie we recently watched that really scared the crap out of me. Dang, I can't think about it right now, but I'm gonna text you, girl. I'm gonna text you. And then this person gonna ask me a question like, there's not even a, I don't even know what to say right now. Like, you're really bold. You're really bold to ask me that. Somebody said, and I'm gonna say somebody because I'm not gonna say your name. Somebody said, what would it take for you to leave your boyfriend? He would have to die.
No.
God forbid. But for me to leave my boyfriend, he would have to die. And even after that, I'm probably gonna go with him. Were you scared to introduce your boyfriend to your family? That's like the last question, so that's why I put my phone down. Was I scared to introduce my boyfriend to my family? I guess that's a question because like he's white and I'm black. But no, I was not scared to introduce him to my family because like my mom is cool, my stepdad's cool, sisters are cool, like everybody's cool and accepting, so I wasn't scared. Like it really didn't matter if he was white, black, Chinese, whatever. It didn't matter as long as I liked him and he was treating me right and he was respectful to them. It wasn't going to be a problem, and they love him, so I wasn't nervous to introduce them at all. So yeah, that's all the questions. I hope this Q&A kind of gave you guys a feel of my personality and who I am, and I hope it kind of intrigued you to like subscribe to my channel and look forward to future content. If it didn't, I'm sorry. You should still hit that like button, you should still comment and share my video so people can see it, so maybe they might vibe with me. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.